Chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, Exercise 8.2, Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So we will learn how to calculate. So we will learn how to calculate the specific angles. First you write the counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the maximum number? 4. So divide all the numbers by 4. Now simplify it. This will cut 1 by 2. This will cut 1. Now rewrite again. 0 upon 4 is 0. 1 upon 4 is as it is. It is 1 upon 2, it is 3 upon 4, it is 1. Now taking square root on all the numbers, the value comes out to be 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So this is the specific angles are here: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Here it is angle, make it theta. Angle को ले लो आप theta. So sin 0 degree is 0, sin 30 degree is 30, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and sin 90 is 1. Now I will write the value of cos. Now make this 1 here and 0 in the last. Cross करते जाइए. 0 root 3 by 2, cross it here. 1 by 2, इसका कोई cross नहीं है. 1 by root 2. This is the values of cos. Cos 0 is 1. Sin cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 90 is 0. Now tan. You know that what is tan theta? Previous I told you tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. So divide it. 0 upon 1 is 0. 1 by 2 and root 3. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? Divide करेंगे 1 by root 3. It is 1. It becomes root 2 2 चला जाएगा. root 3 2 कट हो जाएगा. root 3 बचेगा. Anything divided by 0 is infinity या not defined. Now reciprocal of sine is cosec. Reciprocal of sine is cosec. Sine का reciprocal 0 upon 1 का करेंगे तो infinity 2 root 2. इसका reciprocal 2 by root 3 and 1 का reciprocal is 1. Now reciprocal of cos is sec. Reciprocal of cos is sec. So cos is here. 1 upon 1 is 1. It is 2 by root 3 and it is root 2. It is 2 and cos 0. It is infinity. 0 upon 1, 1 upon 0 is infinity. Now the reciprocal of tan is cot. I write it here. The reciprocal of tan is cot. The reciprocal of tan is cot. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. This is theta. Now reciprocal of tan I will write here cot. So what is cot? Cot 0 is, this is tan. 0 upon 1. इसको उल्टा करेंगे तो 1 upon 0 क्या हो जाएगा? Infinity root 3. 1 का reciprocal 1. 1 by root 3. tan infinity क्या आ गया? 1 upon 0 is 0 upon 1. It is 0. So this is the value chart for some specific angles, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now I will take question number 1. This proof already we will studied in session 1. Today it is a session 3. सेशन 1 में अपन ने इसका सारा प्रूफ बता दिया है. हाउ sin 30 comes 1/2, हाउ cos 30 comes √3/2. This you have to calculate by right angle triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. Now see question first of your book. Evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 30 plus sin 30. Check the question. Sin 30 cos 60, sin 60 cos 30, sin 30 cos 60. Now we have to evaluate it. What is the value of sin 60? It is √3/2. Cos 30 √3/2 plus sin, as it is nothing is there, it means into sin 30 1/2 cos 60 1/2 multiply √3 3 2 2 4 1 into 1 1 2. Take 4 LCM. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 upon 1 is equal to 1. Now I will take second question. Now I will take second part. Second part, it is 2tan square 45 plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Now evaluate it. See here, value of tan 45 is 1, it is square. Cos 30, value of cos 30 √3/2, it is whole square, minus sin 60, it is √3/2 whole square. Now 2 into 1 2 plus 3 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. This will cancel out and you will get 2 is the answer. Third part, cos 45 degree upon sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Evaluate it. इसको evaluate करना है. We know that cos 45 is 1/√2. Cos sec 30. What is sec 30? Sec 30 is 2/√3. Reciprocal of cos 30. Cosec 30. What is sin 30? 1/2. So cosec 30 is 2 upon 1. Now take the LCM. √3 is the LCM. It is 2 plus 2 √3. Now you multiplied it. 1 upon 2. First और third term multiply हो जाएगी and second and third हो जाएगी. First and fourth. √3 upon 2 plus 2 √3. So it becomes √3 upon √2 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 2 कॉमन ले लीजिए. फर्स्ट यू राइट मल्टीप्लाइड दिस 2 √2 प्लस 2 √3 into √2 √6 हो जाता है. तो इट इज √3 2 कॉमन ले लीजिए √2 प्लस √6. नाउ वी विल रैशनलाइज इट. मल्टीप्लाइड बाय √2 माइनस इसके अपोजिट साइन से √6. √2 minus √6, you will get √2 into √3 √6 and it will become minus root 18. 3 into 6 root 18 and 2 as it is. You will get this is plus and this is minus. Use a square minus b square. So it will get root 2 का square minus root 6 का square. So it becomes root 6. इसको लिख सकते हैं 9 into 2. तो root 18 is 3 root 2. 9 into 2 3 बार आ गया. root 2 as it is. 2 bracket. ये कितना हुआ 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6. So it becomes 2 minus 6 कितना होता है minus 4. So root 6 minus 3 root 2. 2 into minus 4. So minus ऊपर ले जाइए तो ये क्या हो जाएगा root 3 2 साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे माइनस का प्लस. दिस माइनस विल comes in numerator. So it is minus root 6. I will write it here. This is plus and this is 8. So this is the answer. So this is the answer. Now I will do one more question, that is part 4. Part 4, sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Cot 45. Now, again putting the values of sin 30, tan 45, cosec 60, sec 30, cos 60, cot 45. What is sin 30? 1 by 2 plus cot 45 1. Cosec 60 is, what is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. So it is minus 2 by root 3 upon, so 1 upon 1 कर दीजिए. Sec 30 is, what is cos 30? 3 by root 2. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 and cot 45 is 1 upon 1. Now take the LCM in numerator. क्या LCM आएगा 2 root 3. 2 root 3 is the LCM. So it becomes 2 से 2 divide हो गया. इधर क्या गया root 3 plus 2 root 3 and root 3 से root 3 divide हुआ तो क्या बचा 2 minus 4 upon, again LCM is 2 root 3 in denominator. So it becomes 3 root 3 से इसको divide किया तो इधर आ गया 4. 2 से इसको divide किया तो क्या आया plus root 3. इधर इसको 1 से divide किया तो आया 2 root 3. Now this is cancel out and you will get root 3 common in this. You will get root 3 common निकालो numerator में. You will get 1 plus 2 minus 4. Here also 4 plus root 3. Here also in denominator root 3 common. So it becomes 1 plus 2. So it becomes 1 plus 2. Now I complete it. Root 3 ये हो जाएगा 1 plus 2. 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 4 ये हो जाएगा 4 plus 3 root 3. 4 plus 3 root 3. Now rationalize it. Rationalize करेंगे तो sign will change. इसका opposite sign क्या हो जाएगा minus 4 minus 3 root 3 upon 4 minus 3 root 3. Now 3 root 3 multiplied by 4. बाइनोमियल को बाइनोमियल से मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो 12 root 3. This is 3 3s are 9 or this is 3 minus 3 minus 27. 3 3s are 9 minus का और 3 9 3s are 27. Now minus 4 or plus 4 it is minus 16. Now minus 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 minus. Now minus minus is plus. Minus minus is plus. It is 12 root 3 4 3 जा 12 upon 4 4 जा 16 minus 12 root 3 3 4 जा 12 plus 12 3 4 जा 12 12 root 3 minus ये कितना हो जाएगा माइनस 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 3 3 जा 9 9 3 जा 27 so this will cancel out and it becomes 12 into 12 24 minus 24 root 3 12 12 24 root 3 minus 43 upon 16 minus 27 कितना होता है 16 minus 27 माइनस है इधर बचेगा 1 और इधर बचेगा 1 minus 11 so my negative sign goes in numerator so it becomes 43 or you can write 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11 is the answer. Fifth part 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus 10 square 45 upon sin square 30 plus cos square 30 degree. Now solve it. Putting the values of cos 60, sec 30, 10 45, sin 30, cos 30. It is an identity, it is 1. But we are solving with putting values. So put the values 5. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 whole square 4 sec 30. Cos 30 होता है root 3 by 2. रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो 2 upon root 3 का whole square minus 1 का square. Sin 30 1 by 2 whole square root 3 upon 2 whole square. Now 5 into simplify 1 by 4 plus 4 into 4 upon 3 minus 1 upon 1 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Now simplify it 5 upon 4 either you take LCM in numerator the numerator LCM is 12. Now 4 को 3 से डिवाइड किया 3 तो इधर आ गया 15 3 डिवाइड बाय 4 4 तो 4 4 जा 16 into 4 plus 64 minus 12 upon 4 LCM so it becomes 1 plus 3 so this will comes 15 minus 12 3 plus this is 67 upon 12 upon 4 upon 4 that is cancel out so answer is 67 upon 12. Now I will take another question that is question number 2. Question 2. Choose the correct options. Choose the correct option. First part 2tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So we will find the value of this. So putting the values, what is tan 30? 1 by root 3. 1 plus tan square 30. 1 by root 3 whole square. So it becomes 2 upon root 3. So 1 plus 1 upon 3. 2 upon root 3. In denominator 3 LCM. So 3 plus 1. So it becomes 2 upon root 3. 4 upon 3. So multiply of second and third and first and fourth. So 2 upon root 3 into 3 upon 4. So 2 will cancel out and this will cancel out. So this is root 3 by 2. This is the value of either sin 60 or cos 30. See which option is there available. It is sin 60 given you A option. Now I will take another part second part, 1 minus tan square 45 upon 1 plus tan square 45. Now putting the values, tan 45 is 1 ka square upon 1 plus square, so it becomes 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1, 0 upon 1 is 0. So it is which option? It is option D. Now third part, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. So options are 0, 30, 60 and D. Suppose it is 90. Now I will take a is equal to 0. In this I will take 2 into sin 30. So in this it is not equal. Let a is equal to 0 degree. So sin left hand side 2 into 0 is equal to sin 0 is equal to 0. 2 into sin 0 is equal to 2 into 0 is equal to 0. This is right hand side, left hand side and right hand side is only equal in option A. Only equal in option A. Now I will take fourth part. Fourth part, 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30. Now putting the values, 2 tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now again 1 minus 1 upon root 3 whole square. So 2 upon root 3, 1 minus 1 by 3. So 2 upon root 3, 3 is LCM, 3 minus 1. This will comes out 2 upon root 3. So 2 upon root 3, 2 upon root 3 and 2 upon 3. So 2 upon root 3 into root 3 upon 2. This will cancel out. So it is 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3. Option is 1 upon root 3 is 10. So 1 upon root 3 is root 3. So it is root 3. Root 3 से ऊपर root 3 आएगा. Root 3 is tan 60 degree. Root 3 is tan 60 degree. That is option C. Question third. If tan A plus B is equal to root 3, tan A minus B 1 by root 3, and this is given to you 0 degree, A plus B less than or equal to 90 degree, A is greater than B. This is the condition. Find A and B. Find A and B. We know that tan A plus B, root 3 is, what is root 3? Tan 60. Tan A minus B is equal to, what is root 1 by root 3? Tan 30. So this equation comes A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Now this will come A minus B 30 degree. Solve it, add it. 2A is equal to 90 degree, A is equal to 45 degree. So this is 1, suppose this is 2, put in 1, we get Instead of A, you can write 45 plus B is equal to 60. B is equal to 60 minus 45 is equal to 15 degree. So A is greater than B.